Molweni salibonani thobela le kae. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, mamelani hothini lehlebeleni. Hey, do you remember guys kade congratulator Vuyokazi lately after ebonisa ukuthi sengu Miss bani bani. How the same guy sabelo is busy at ema-DM kamunye umuntu right now. So allegedly guys sabelo uthi I wish I choose you. So guys, Spusi Poswa reveals that Vuyokazi, nciweni's husband Xolani Sabelo, is in her DMs wanting to hook up with her. So guys, Vuyokazi's husband Sabelo offered to purchase a TV for Spusi Poswa and further suggested that he would wanna watch a movie or two with her on the new telly. So guys, imagine we were just like congratulating Vuyokazi, yazi simnika kuthi you know what, you did good by ukuhlukana nobani no Thoman umpumelelo umseleko, because yabona those kind of things. And uguy isibindi lesanaso guys, after like kuthi Vuyokazi trend ku social media and sonke simbunika yabona ebuye futhi kube nama-screenshot okubonisa i-conversation. Nkosi yami, just imagine ungugele right now having to experience this after everything that you have went through. Yeah, so guys, on the screenshot sibonisa uSabelo efonela ugeli ethi this is going to cause a lot of drama for me. It's not nice ukutrenda for wrong reason. It causes a lot of depression. And then ugeli went on to saying, okay, I will delete. And the guy wabe wathi, thank you, please, it's still there. Ngothi ugayi usancenga ukuthi hayi girl phela delete man. Uyabona abantu bazombuka otherwise nomfazi yami ngapha this and that. Yo guys, like men will pega us. Men will pega and pagulula us same time. But anyway guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this. And please guys, ngicela subscribe guys. Please do me the honor and do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.